औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। ये बात नहीं कि मुझे इस पर यकीन नहीं, बस डर गया हूँ ख़ुद को साहिब ईमान कहते कहते। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब ऑन चैनल यूट्यूब लीगल टॉक नेटवर्क जस्टिस फॉर एवरीवन। टुडे माई लेक्चर द कोड ऑफ क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर कोड 1898 established. Today my lecture, I describe you briefly the procedure, the trial court of the session, trial bite of session court. Section 265A, trial before court of session to be conducted to the public prosecutor. I describe you today my lecture introduction. First of all, relevant provisions, meaning of the trial of before court of session conducted by the public prosecutor, 265A sections, prosecutor in case in a tribal court of the session under section 265B. Today I describe you in introduction 265A. Criminal Procedure Code 1989. The chapter 21A, section 265A to section 265N. Particularly section 265F is the ensured that for fair trial, trial not only the accused on also prosecutor or the case may be complaint administrator, justice of criminal matters are the remove on the misconceptions that the fair trial means such steps measures are to advantages benefits accused principles and justice should be administered in criminal case between the complaint in the administrative justice criminal criminal matters broke the misconceptions accused personally should be forgotten or the prosecutions or complainant who self the bell rolling and the restore tranquility and the society and the seeking relief against exists allegedly done by the accused and such doers of the court of justice for a fair trial. A plain reading of the offerment provisions reflect the same view in that it in right the both and the parties to have the fair trial. There should title a favor of other. Relevant provisions, section 265 CRPC, Criminal Procedure Code 1898. Meaning of trial, according to the Black Law Dictionary, the trial means formal judicial examine of the evidence or determinations of the legal advantages of proceedings. Trial before court of session, conducted public prosecution under section 265A. In every trial before a court of session, an innocent person or the police report prosecution shifted conducted by the public prosecution. According to the section where when the trial to initial before the court of session upon a police report, the prosecutions shall be conducted by the public prosecutions. AIRs 1924, page 283, where the proceeding initiated in the police report, private prosecutions has not positions, shall not at the litigations. Procedure in case trial, court of the section under section 265B. Procedure trial high court and the session. Following the procedure of the court session during, supply of the statement and the document accused under section 265C. Where cases instituted upon police report under section 265C, copies of the following documents shall be supplied fee of the accused not later than the 7 days before commence of the trial, namely, first of all, first information report, the police report, the statement of witness, recording 161 and 164 recording. In inspection, the inspection not recorded of any investigation officers on his first visit, the place of occurrence on the noted recorded by the Revan report. Sorry, carry on with your B. Where cases instituted upon complaint writing under section 265C. Statement document of the accused, substance of acquittance, state of the name of witness, and state of the guest of evidence which is likely adduced at the trial. And the copies of complaint and any other documents which the complaint has failed shall be supplied. Type of cause to accuse not theirs and then 7 days before the commencement of the trial, and the statement order section 200 or 202 section shall be supplied free of the cost to the accused not later than 7 days before the commencement of the trial. When the charge is to be framed under section 265D, the in PLD 1991 FSC 33, the court of the frame charge under section 265D CRPC, the pursuing the police report, complaint and other document and the statement, file prosecution and the court is the opinion of their ground for the proceeding when the trial charge could be framed. Third, plea under section 265E, plea, the charge shall be read and the explained to the accused shall be asked whether he is guilty or has only defense. It pleads guilty, the court shall record the plea and maybe discussions convict him. Evidence of the prosecution under section 265F. Where the accused not plead guilty, the court doesn't convicted plea under section 265F. the court shall be proceed their complaint and take all such evidence as may be produced in support of the prosecution. Exception: the court shall be bound to be hear any persons has complained in any case in which the complaint has been made in by a court. Summoning a witness under section 265F, the court of the summon the court shall summon such person who are acquainted the facts of the case and be able to give in evidence for prosecution. When court refuse the summon any witness under section 265F, if the court of the opinion that such witness being called for the purpose of the vexation of the delay and defeating in the hands of the justice, move for recording such ground shall be recorded by the court in writing. These where the examination of the witness for the prosecution and the examination of the accused and concluded under section 265(8) to execute shall be asked witness means to adduce evidence. Sorry, continue with you. E. Where the accused put any written statement 265F, the court shall file in be the record. F. Where the accused says that the means to adduce evidence under section 265F, the court shall call on the accused to enter on the defense and produce his evidence. 5. Summing by the prosecutor and defense under section 265G. Summoned by the prosecutor and defense. Where the accused doesn't adduce evidence, defense 265G, the court shall be upon the prosecution to sum upon his case, whether in the accused shall make to reply of close prosecution case examine of the accused. If any case under chapter the court find the accused guilty, the court shall have subjected provision 265(1) pass sentence upon according to law. Where the accused witness defense 265G, the court shall be accused sum upon the whether the prosecutor shall make reply of the clause of division of case acquittal conventions 265H. If any case under the chapter frame of the court finds accused not guilty, it shall record in order to acquittal. If in any case under the chapter court find accused guilty, court of subjection provision 265(1) pass sentence upon the recording law. When the court guilt upon section 265H, the court shall be pass sentence upon the according to law. 8 says procedure in the case of provision convention 265(1) in AIR 1983 sin 2003. This section imperative in the base it is being of the principle or the prisoners on his trial out the prejudiced by the statement of provisions convictions suffered by him indications importance of the complaint execution of the knowledge of the provisions convictions when writing the evidence of this truth otherwise of the main charge. Power of court accused any stages under section 265K. Final analysis. Section 241. 265 provided procedure for trial criminal cases of Pakistan Penal Code by the magistrate, which is different and separate trials. The trial of criminal cases of Pakistan Penal Code before the High Court and court sessions and the conducted by the public prosecutors. In every trial before a court session, initiation upon the police report, the prosecution is conducted by the police, public prosecutors in the manner of the prosecutor prescribed from section 265B, section 265N, which provides elaborate producer by session trial and other thing magistrate trial in the public prosecutor to let spot prosecutions. It is emulated mandatory for the court to strictly follow the procedure laid down for late criminal cases when their challan is sent upon the magistrate. Sorry. Summons the from of the jail from the residence if the heir on bail anywhere the appearance or produce in the cases institution upon police report. Copies of the following documents are supplied to the accused not later than 7 days before the framing of charge of commencement of the trial, namely A. the first information report, B. the police report, C. the statement of the witness record under section 165 and 164, and D. the inspection not recorded by investigation officer on the first visit to the place of the occurrence and and the note recorded by the recovers made if any omissions to comply with the provisions of section 265C Criminal Procedure Code 1898 before providing charge would violate initial proceeding. Copies supplies to counsel to accused sufficient complaints. Similarly, in this case, institution upon the private complaint in writing. A. the complaint, the statement, the petition of the complaint, the substance of accusance, the names of the witness and the case of the evidence which is likely adduced at the trial. And second, where 3 days 3 days 3 days of the order of the court under section 204 for the issue of process accused file in the court supplied to accused as any copies of the complaint, any other documents as file the complaints as the documents accused and copies of the complaint, any other documents which the complaint as file 3 and the statement under section 200 complaint to magistrate or section 202 shall be supplied free of the cost to the accused not later than 7 days before the commencement of the trial, other pursuing the police report or as the case may be, the complaint and the other document and statement filed by the prosecution, the court opinion that there is ground for proceeding where with the trial of the accused frame is in writing or charge against the accused charge case only be framed on the basis of statement the charge read explained to the accused and he is asked whether he is guilty or has any defense to make. If the accused plead guilty, in the court may be record the plea and may be descriptions or convict there one under section 265E CRPC. It is not mandatory for the court that on pleading guilty the court in circumstances shall have to record convention where the accused plead guilty and the court and you summon prosecution witness here shall cast notice the providing in the case of pleading guilty before a magistrate, however, discretions has been given, not convicted despite pleading guilty, and the commencement even after pleading guilty is a question of the voluntariness is in the discretion's court. If the accused does not plead guilty or the court doesn't convict him on his plea, the court proceed to hear the complaint, if any, and they take such of evidence produce in supposed support of the prosecution. The court may be as ascertained from the public prosecutor as their case may be from the complaint in the public prosecutor as the case or maybe from the complaint the name of any persons likely to be acquitted with the facts of the case and be able to give evidence for the prosecutions and may summon such persons to give evidence before the object of 265F appears to be that where the court the issue summons to those persons whom the public prosecutor complaint consider to be acquitted with the facts of the case and able to give in evidence for prosecution so that their evidence is taken by the court. Nothing is provided section 265 FCRPC that it should be at the descriptions of public prosecutor or the complaint to name of any person whether doesn't appear in calendar of the witness had the position been so. The very purpose of the 265F 65C would be have France did, however, the court not be bound to record this settlement. Only these witness who will listen in the calendar of witness. But the arrive the just conclusion in it can be any person like to be acquitted with the facts of the case, asserting it from the public prosecutions or the complaint subject on the general procedure summoning of the any such witness doesn't cause of the delay defeated of ends of the justice. The complaint can call on the witness through court even the name of the FIR supplementary settlement, but the court however refused the summon any such witness. It is opinion that such witness is being called from the purpose of vexation of delaying to any of justice. The prosecution of each every calendar witness of the challan is not accompanied. Any document omitted to be produced during investigation can be produced at trial with the examination of the witness, the prosecution and the examination if any of the accused they conclude the accused ask where the means of the adduced evidence of the inherent statement under section 2 342 CRPC is not provided, but the examination, if any of the accused, may be interfere to such statement of the accused after the evidence of prosecution and over the before the defense evidence called for the as the accused there ask where the means to adduce by evidence in defense. If the accused in any written statement the court file, if the record, if the accused or any on the several accused says that the means of the adduced evidence, the court call on the accused to enter on his evidence defense produce the evidence. If you accused only try several accused after entering of defense applied to the court to issue any procedure in the complaint and attendance of any witness examine of the productions of documents other thing the court issue or the procedure unless it compliance if the made any for the purpose of action delay in defending of the justice for the such ground may be recorded by the court in writing in case where the accused or any one of the several accused does adduce evidence in his defense. The court on the close of the prosecution evidence and the examination, if any accused call upon the public prosecutor to some of the case of his case whether whether after their accused makes a reply to other persons through an advocate of his choice. However, in case whether the accused or any of the several accused examination evidence the defense, the court may be close of the defense evidence may upon the accused to some of the case first whether the public prosecutor makes to reply, if in any case the court file the accused provided guilty, the court may pass sentence upon the according to law. But where in any case the court find the accused not guilty, it record in order of equitable. In any stage of proceeding, just like magistrate to accuse under section 249A criminal procedure code, or the consideration that enter the charge of groundless or there it is not probably in the convicted in the long term, the High Court of Session Court have also been visited with the authority to acquit it and accused at any stage of the case it after hearing the public prosecutor and accused and for reasons to be recorded it considered that there is no probability of the accused being convicted of any offense, the power of limited that the of magistrate who may acquit it to accused on the ground that the charge to was less but there is charge is not considered, but any consideration properly is not properly convention. Sorry, continue my lecture, carry on with you. Conventions is the long run, normally while prosecution for the trial in flying by such discretions has been visited in court, the accused at any stages if the court considers that there would be probability convictions of the accused for the purpose of appeal against acquitted. There is no difference. There is no difference acquitted after the flying full procedures. Acquitted at any stages of the descriptions of the court, whoever such discretions is to be exercised judicially and not arbitrarily. Next lecture I will come. Please subscribe on channel Legal Talk Network. Justice for everyone. To my viewers and comment and support me. Thank you.